Hello, welcome back to my channel. Today we're making a crazy fish game. So let's start. First, let's get rid of this cat because you won't need it. You won't need it. So get rid of it, and then let's select new sprites. We're going to need 3 different kinds of fish. So let's choose from here. Okay, fish. Here it has different costumes, so we're going to use a different kinds of fish. Okay, let's go back, and then animals, and then fish again. Okay, and then let's choose animals again, and let's say okay, let's use this shark too. All right, so we have 3 different. Okay, so let's go to this fish costume here, and then let's delete all the other costume and leave the blue fish, so it will look different. And we need to also delete the other. Okay, so let's leave these 2 so it can switch costumes. All right, so we have 3 different kinds of fish. Okay, so let's get coding. First, let's code for the shark first. So when we click the flag, we want it to forever block, and then point. We want to control with the mouse, so point towards mouse pointer. Okay, and then we want it to move how many steps? 4 steps. Okay, so this is for the shark. So whenever we click on the flag, we see the shark following the mouse. Point to the mouse pointer and it will be moving. All right, then to our goldfish. All right, select the flag, and then we want to show it. Yeah, so anytime we click the flag, even if it's hidden, we want to show it. And then let's go for the loop, forever loop, and then inside forever we're going to make a condition here. So if the goldfish is touching the mouse, the shark, if the goldfish is touching the shark, so let's change this to shark 2. Then what do we want it to do? We want it to hide. Okay, we got it. Hide for a number of seconds. So we won't give it exact seconds. Let's make it a random. So 1, 2, 4 seconds. Okay, so it will hide with 1, 2, 4 seconds, and then we want it to appear anywhere on the stage. So appear, go to X and Y. So X and Y too, we're going to pick random positions for it. So X, let's say minus 180, sorry, minus 180, and then 180. Then Y also we pick a random position. Okay, so Y also minus 180, and then 180. Okay, so it will appear anywhere within this range. All right, and then we want it to point at the angle of 90 degrees. We want it to point 90 degrees, and then because it is hiding, we will show it again. So show. Okay, and then as it's moving, if it's not touching the mouse, sorry, if it's not touching the shark, we want it to turn at a random angle. So random angle, not very much, so -10 to 10. Okay, that's cool. All right, then it will move. It moves 3 or 4 or 5 steps as you want. You can input. Okay, so 4 steps, and then what do we want it to do? We want it to bounce on any of the edges of the stage. So if an edge, bounce. All right, so let's run our script and see how it goes. All right, the shark is moving. Okay, the goldfish is also good. So all right, so you see that it's keeps appearing at a random position, and the shark keeps eating it. Okay, oh good. So that's cool for the goldfish, but because it has more than one costume, let's switch costume. Okay, so show, change costume and show. So we're going to put next costume here and then before it shows. So let's try it again. Good. All right, oh perfect, we got it. Okay, so whenever it hides before it shows, it changes costume. So that's cool. Now let's get to the blue fish. The blue fish, we want it to be like a dangerous fish that ends our game. So that fish will kill the game or kill the cat. Sorry, kill the shark. All right, so then we start with the flag, and then we go to looks. Let's find show. We want it to show, and then let's select our forever loop. Then we need if, making a condition here. So if the blue shark is touching shark, we want to end our game, so we will say stop all. Okay, so if the shark is touching, if the blue fish is touching shark, we want to, then we should stop all. Okay, and we said forever, we're going to let it move. So let's come to motion here, then we'll turn, it'll turn an angle of a random angle. Let's also make it -10 to 10. All right, so any of this angle, and then it'll move. Okay, let's make it 2. Let's make it a little slow. So 2, and then it'll also bounce on the edge of the stage. All right, so okay, let's go. Oh, it's touching the shark. So okay, that's good. All right, so if it touches the shark, it ends. Okay, so whenever it touches the shark, it's on. So let's click here and see. All right, so good, it works. Good. Let's see. Oh, it stops. Oh, it stops. It stops again. Okay, let me move the shark somewhere else. Good. So it's running perfect. So let's eat. Why is it? Let's eat it. All right. Again, eat. Okay, let's go for it. Oh, kill. Okay, so now we have our game almost done. but we need a backdrop that suits our game. So let's go to the backdrop and choose a backdrop that will suit our game. Underwater, where is underwater? Okay, so we have two, so we can decide to choose anyone that we want. So I'll go for this one. All right, so it seems like blue. So let me choose the second one, also blue. But it's cool, so we almost have our game ready. Alright, thank you for watching. Join me in the next video to add more fish, and then we add scores and more backdrops. Alright, thank you very much for joining. Bye bye.